Get your solar checked from time to time. Optimize your solar system and give it a longer lease of life. Solar maintenance is when we run a full checkup of your solar to ensure it lasts you for many years. Dirt and dust on solar panels reduce efficiency. Let's optimize on the sun. Inverters can get clogged with dust, which eventually cause downtime to your system. All this can be avoided. Epic Energy will do a thorough check and testing of your solar from top to bottom. We will check the inverter, batteries, cable terminations, protection kit, assess your current load against system size, and present a full report with recommendations to ensure you plan for future upgrade and maintenance. This exercise will allow you to have a peace of mind. We provide service contracts for residential and commercial systems.
The first full checkup session is free. Give us a call today for more information on 0772441552 or 0772101379.